Where there's a will, there's a way, and there's definitely a will. I understand what he meant now! And I found one or two things I'm serious about. The goal to give my life purpose is melons!
As in the fruit?
Idiot! At least try to pay attention.
After I gargle, I'll have a virgin as an appetizer, I think. And then a large plump man for the main course. Followed by a pregnant woman for dessert.
Cough up the tits! Those are mine!
Why did you save me? I attempted to kill you. Forgive my deceit. Since Meowie is safe, you may touch my chest.
Oh yeah! You all just gotta talk smack about what I want, huh? It's revenge this, protect my family that, save my stupid kitty, blah blah blah. Think your big fancy ass goals make all of you hot shit? Then prove it! We'll have a dream battle royale right now! If I murderize you, this'll be settled! Touching titties will be the better dream! If you beat me in a dream battle, then you can do whatever the hell you want!